Please get ready for a dictation of transcription number 128 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, I welcome this bill because it is the first attempt to create and provide further technical personnel so necessary in the country. It is very well laid down that this institute is the first in the chain of 4 high-grade technical institutions proposed to be started in the country to improve the tone of the engineering and technological education as well as to meet the present special needs of the industry, which could not be achieved in the normal way. On these 2 special clauses, I would like to offer some remarks because, first of all, we see that the tone of technical and engineering education is not at present what is desired or is necessary in the country. We should try to improve it, and I can assure you that we cannot improve it in 5 or 10 years, and this is the first attempt, and if all efforts are made to improve the tone, it will be in the larger interests of the country. The special needs of the country are increasing, and the branches of engineering and technological education are multiplying every year in our country also. So the degrees and the courses will have to be multiplied. These are the 2 important points why our students are going in hundreds to foreign countries to acquire degrees in foreign universities, because the training imparted is not adequate for the purpose for which it is meant, namely to render service in the industry in which they wish to join later on. I wish to say here that this institution should be sufficiently financed, and for want of finance, it should not suffer in getting the best professors for training. Then the atmosphere that is to be created for imparting training is very important, because technological engineering education is quite different from academical and theoretical education, which is at present given in universities. For that, especially, I welcome this association of undergraduate studies, because if undergraduate study is there, then it creates an atmosphere for those students to follow it and pursue it to postgraduate studies and in fundamental research. That is very important. I still say that if it is followed in all the 4 high grade institutions, then it will be useful. We should not fight shy of it because we are woefully lacking in technical skill, and that skill has to be created. They can't be created unless we have an atmosphere where students mix with each other in a fraternal way and discuss among themselves freely. It is not only by lecture, by professors that they learn. It is also by the students getting together that they learn these things. Stop.